Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the leveling leg in your GE dryer, prop up the dryer to gain access to the leg. If applicable, unthread the leveling leg. To install the new leveling leg, thread the leg into the dryer. Carefully lower the appliance. And check that the dryer is level.